Inserting batteries. To insert batteries into the blood pressure device, simply turn the device over and remove the battery cover. Then place 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment facing the correct way and close the device by replacing the battery cover. Make sure the cuff is properly seated into the blood pressure device. Single reading and triple mode. Your new blood pressure device comes with 2 modes, single reading and triple reading. Make sure that your blood pressure device is in the single reading mode unless otherwise stated. To prepare for the reading, please make sure to sit quietly for 5 minutes ideally. The air tube should align with the middle of your arm for a proper reading. The cuff should be 2 inches above your elbow. The cuff should be snug but loose enough to fit 2 fingers underneath it. Rest your arm flat on the table, palm up and at the same height as your heart. Press the stop-start button to begin the reading. Remain still and silent while the device inflates and takes the reading. The screen will increase in numbers while the reading is taking place. Once the reading has been measured, the screen will display your reading on the screen. After a few seconds, the screen will display OK. The reading has been successfully transmitted to your doctor. You have just taken your reading. Understanding your new device. Starting from the upper left-hand corner, we have the signal indication icon. This icon allows us to know the level of cellular signal the device is currently receiving. Make sure to move the device into an appropriate area that has the highest signal for the best service. Next, we have the data pending to transmit icon. This icon informs us that the reading is still pending transmission to our database. Please make sure to allow the device to turn off automatically to allow the data to transmit successfully. Next is the SIM card error icon. The SIM card error indicates there is an issue with the SIM card. Next, the excessive body motion detector icon. This icon will illuminate when the machine detects excessive body motion. If you see this icon, please make sure to sit still and try the reading again. Cuff abnormal icon. This icon indicates if the cuff is not properly seated into the device. If you see this icon, please make sure that the tube connecting the cuff to the device is firmly inserted into the device. Cuff wearing detection icon. This icon indicates that the cuff is being worn properly with the OK symbol. Triple measurement icon. The triple measurement icon indicates that your device is in triple measurement mode. Please make sure to keep your device in single reading mode unless otherwise stated by your physician. Remember, when the device is in triple measurement mode, the device will take 3 readings with 1 minute between the first and second readings, and then send the average of the 3 readings to your doctor. Please wait the entire 4 minutes for this reading to occur. Systolic reading. The top large number is the systolic blood pressure reading as indicated by the 120. Diastolic reading. The large number below the top number, indicated by 80 in this example, is the diastolic reading of the blood pressure reading. Heart rate. The heart rate as indicated by the 70 displays the heart rate at the time of the reading. Irregular heartbeat detection icon. The irregular heartbeat detection icon will appear if your heartbeat is detected to be irregular and is indicated by the heart symbol with the heartbeat line through it. The measurement reminder icon. When activated, it appears on the display and reminds the user to measure at a certain time. Not all devices have this feature. Additionally, there are 3 additional icons not displayed in the photo. The first one is the battery indicator in the upper left-hand corner that indicates the current battery power. The second is the low battery symbol indicator, which will show in the battery indicator but will be displayed as an empty battery. The third is the adapter insert indicator, which appears when the power is supplied from a power adapter. Power adapters are not included. Thank you, and good luck on your health journey.